Welcome to our review of Email Verifier API. In this video, we'll take a look at everything this site offers, from verifying email addresses to cleaning email lists and improving your email marketing results. Email Verifier API offers a robust solution for anyone looking to validate email addresses and maintain clean mailing lists. This tool provides real-time email validation, checking for things like syntax errors, domain validity, and whether the email address is from a disposable provider. By using this service, you can ensure better deliverability rates and prevent bounces that can damage your sender reputation. One of the standout features is its ability to validate emails in bulk, making it perfect for businesses with large email lists. It provides a simple API that allows easy integration into your existing software or CRM systems. For those who are looking for more advanced options, Email Verifier API also includes detailed reports, allowing you to dive deeper into the health of your email list and spot potential problems. However, there are some limitations. The pricing model may not be ideal for users with small budgets, as it charges based on the number of verifications, which can add up quickly. While the API does offer a variety of features, it doesn't provide as much flexibility for small-scale users, and some may find the interface a bit technical. On the service side, Email Verifier API excels at providing accurate results quickly. It also supports bulk verification, ensuring that businesses of all sizes can make use of the service. But if you're a beginner or someone who's not familiar with APIs, the setup and usage might feel a little complex at first. One helpful tip to ensure smooth email management is using Clean Email to organize your inbox. This service will help you maintain a cleaner email environment and reduce clutter. Follow the link in the description to learn more about it and take control of your inbox today. Now, if you want to start verifying your email lists and improve your email marketing performance, be sure to check out Email Verifier API. It's a comprehensive tool with a variety of plans to suit your needs, though the cost can be a factor to consider. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on more honest reviews and helpful insights.